Under management, again, we have more average resolution time panels. This is average resolution time by member at creation. So when the ticket was when was it actually created? The other one was the actual time by member. So if the MSPs wanted to know from the time it was actually created, what was the average resolution time, right? So the other one by member is not showing. It's showing the actual when the ticket might have been created, let's say on a Saturday or Sunday, but then it wasn't actually, the resources weren't added till Monday or Tuesday. So that's showing the resolution time there under by member actual. This is at creation. When the ticket was actually created, you want to see what the average resolution time was. So if you're ever wondering, you want to see what the average of the resolving of the tickets are from the time that the ticket was actually created, not when resources were added. This is it. And of course, you can select the date. You could select the boards. I always send to Excel. You could choose the members here, and this is the help screen here. But average resolution time creation by hours. It's all calculated in hours.